It'll either slide down really big, really fast, or it'll sort of play with the bottom for a while. Like yesterday, it slid down really super fast. Sometimes it doesn't like that. Sometimes it'll play a game for a little while. And I know some of you like to gamble, which I'm not a big fan of. But if you wanted to gamble on one, this would be one to go for right here. It may move down quite a bit. I, however, just play the code and play it mathematically. I don't like to gamble, so to speak. Yes, exactly. 40 ticks keeps the math great. That's why you see me go for that. Now, there'll come a time when I go for more ticks than that. But right now is not really that time. Hopefully it'll be that time soon. This is a very, very good move down here. It may not take too much longer to get to the exit. But you see this move right here? This is the cue that we can get this 40 ticks. It's time to go for it here. Go for this 40 ticks, no problem. Math very high. Even if it bounces back up right here, it's okay. We should be able to hit these 40 ticks. Now, it may go down a lot further than this. It may go down another 80 ticks from here. But, again, I like to keep the math high. I also like to, I love it when it hits the exits really fast, and I just call it a day. I don't have to trade anymore. I know some of you really want to trade a lot, but you should work on, making these successful trades with me and then upping your contracts, and you will do very well. Okay, I'm getting close to the exit. My exit's at 46.10. See, because ticks is something like, the more ticks you go for, the harder it is to get them. But your contracts are easy to go up. And you can go as high as you want with that, in theory. Yeah, I like to get in and get out and be done, and of course I've been trading since 2001, so I've been trading for a long time. Getting close to my exit. It went down to 16. That's 6 ticks away. I'm not worried about it at all, though. It should make this 40 ticks, whether it makes it in 5 more minutes or another 2 hours. It should make it. You always get out early, Martin. That's okay, though. It's no problem. You see that profit and you just take it. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I'm not blaming you at all. I mean, all you gotta do now is just keep building up your account and up your contracts. You don't need to make 40 ticks. You can make 30 ticks and make all the money you want. No, I only started trading oil in 2008. Late 2008. And into 2009. So, yeah. But ever since I discovered oil, though, I've been trading oil exclusively since then. Well, that's good. You're doing good. You're doing good. I just want to let all of you know, though, that this particular trade right here is a good bet to go for even more if any of you really want to. Now, I'm not telling you what to do, and there is a risk if you don't take these 40 ticks. There's definitely a risk, but I'm just saying the math is pretty high that it will go even lower. Okay, here comes my exit. Okay, I am out for 40 ticks. Easy Friday. Yeah, you're not gonna say that when this thing goes down 50 more ticks. You're gonna be like, man, why didn't we go for more? And again, it's not the ticks, it's the contracts. Try start thinking about contracts. Well, I know when you do contracts, right, you're taking more of a risk, but in time, you'll start to trust what it is I'm doing, and you will start to believe in it more and more and more, and then you will start to, you know, build up your contracts and start to make good money. You only need to make, you know, if you make 10 ticks a day at 10 contracts, you're doing good. If you make 30 ticks a day at 10 contracts, you're doing fantastic. You know, you don't need to make so many ticks, you need to up your contracts. But you also, but in order to do that, your math has to be very high, obviously. That's good, that's good. I'm glad you guys are doing well. Now you can go have a good weekend, and I will see you next week. Right now I have it so that we're not trading on Monday, but I'm going to go over the charts, and I'm going to see how many times the special works on Monday over the last 3-4 months. If I can get, if the math is high enough, we'll play this special on Monday. I'll let you just look in the just log in, and you'll find out whether we're going to meet on Monday or not. Yeah, you too. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I will see you next week. Enjoy your weekend. Yeah, it's always the same login, but you're going to use a different link every time you come into the room. So you log in, you'll see a different link there and a different time and everything. Yeah, guys, have a good weekend. Take care. I'll see you next week. Okay, YouTube, I am done trading for the day. Just hit a 40 tick trade, as you saw, and everybody else just hit it too. So we are now out of the trade. It probably will go down more, but like it was explained to all of them, it's not how many ticks you make, it's how many contracts you're trading, and how high your math is. That's what you really want to focus on. Anyway, I am going to get going, and I will see all of you on YouTube next week. Have a great weekend, traders. Take care. Happy trading.